Why does your scanner show the P3800 engine code? And what does it mean? P3800 is a diagnostic trouble code for reverse input circuit malfunction. This error code is a manufacturer-specific powertrain code whose meaning varies depending on the vehicle's make and model. It generally indicates a malfunction related to the engine or transmission control system. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Oil life reached its limit. TCM issues. ECM faults. Engine oil temperature sensor. Extreme driving conditions. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code is not universal. Because this code is a manufacturer-specific code, indicated by the P3 sequence, its meaning differs significantly depending on the vehicle's make and model. It is commonly found in Toyota, Volvo, Nissan, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.